Please subscribe to Facetv Africa and turn the notification on. Facetv Africa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́, subscribe, hete.
Face TV was Swoby.
Celebrating his love with Chioma. If you go back to my previous post, you will see that I've been celebrating Davido in good luck, saying that him and Chioma is in love. But it was yesterday night. I was on Facebook. There is one page that said Nigerian celebrity son died. But let me not say anything because the news has not been confirmed. It's no more a news now because Instablog, every blog has posted it. This is the saddest story I've ever heard. Like, I'm not related to them, but it seems like this thing touched me so much that I couldn't sleep last night. Like, how can I? And we have started loving this child. Davido opened a page for him on his birthday. We were following him. Like, I saw the other day, him and Davido was swimming. Like, everybody loves Ifeanyi. You cannot hate a child. It's not that I'm coming here to, like, I have been posting Davido, so I have to sympathize with him and Chioma. This is a great thing. Great thing has happened to Davido and Chioma. Great thing. Davido only son. I know another one will still come, but Davido take heart. Hi, this is too hard to be like. This is too big. Do you notice that internet was slow yesterday night and it's still slow now? Like, everybody is in a shock. Internet is still slow for now. I don't think I will go to market today. I don't think. This is a great thing. Like, I want to use this opportunity because this thing happened to Ifeanyi. I think last year, his son drowned into the water. Like, all those people that is building swimming pool. I'm not saying that swimming pool is not good. It's very, very nice. But like, I always watch the video status. He was swimming with Ifeanyi. Like, maybe the child loved the swimming. Like, I don't even know. I don't have to say what I don't know because I don't know what caused this thing. Let me not say what I don't know. But all I'm telling you, all my fans, is that we are all sad. Davido lost his son, Ifeanyi, beautiful son of 3 years. Ifeanyi celebrated his birthday, I think, last month. This is so sad. So my condolences goes to Davido and family, Chioma, Adeleke family. November 27, Davido uncle is supposed to swear in as a governor. I'm just asking, where is that happiness? Do you think a lot of things that have been happening to Davido, where is that happiness? Do you think that he would be happy? Like, boy, this is the saddest thing I've ever heard. Sleep well, Ifeanyi. Davido, may God give you the gratitude to bear the loss. You and Chioma. This is a great loss. Thank you. Oh, bye.
Please subscribe to Facetv Africa and turn the notification on. Facetv Africa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́, subscribe, hete.
Face TV was Swoby.